Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Wise account from start to finish. Whether you are sending money internationally or managing multiple currencies, Wise is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to handle your money across borders. Let's get started. Wise. What is Wise and why use it? Wise is a financial services that allows you to send, receive, and convert money across different currencies with low fees. It's perfect for freelancers, business owners, travelers, and anyone who needs to move money globally. What makes Wise stand out is its transparent fees, real exchange rates, and its ease of use. Unlike banks, they don't charge hidden fees or offer poor exchange rates. To get started, go to wise.com. In your browser, on the home page, click on the sign up button or register button. In the top right corner, you will be asked to enter your email address and create a secure password. You can use your Facebook account, Google account, or Apple account for create an account. Just now enter your email. I will use a temporary mail for this tutorial. So wait a few seconds. Just I'll copy the email address. Now copy the mail and enter here and click next. Now go to your email inbox, then confirm your email address and click continue. Once your email is verified, you will be taken to your account setup page. Here you will need to enter your account type like personal or business, like personal, then select country and location, then continue, again continue, and agree the terms and condition. Click continue and agree. Enter your phone number from here. I will use a temporary phone number for this tutorial. Just copy a number from copy your number and paste it there. Or write your number from here, like 433830 00352. Then click send verification. Now wait for a confirmation message. You can try use your personal phone number. There are any issues because I have used the temporary number. So then enter some basic personal details like your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure The details you provide match what's on your official identification as Wise will ask for this information later for security verification. Next, Wise will ask you to verify your phone number to security purposes. Now you will be taken to your Wise dashboard. From here, you can start adding money or setting up payments for international transfers. Click on the Add Balance tab or Send Money buttons to get started with transactions. To add money to your Wise account or to send money, you will need to link a payment method. This can be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Click on Add a payment method and choose whether you want to link a bank account or use a debit or credit card. For bank transfers, Wise will give you the necessary bank details to complete the transfer from your bank. One of the best features of Wise is the ability to hold multiple currencies. Uh, if you frequently deal with currencies like USD, Euro, or other, you can create multi-currency accounts. So to set this up, go to dashboard and click on balances. Here you can add different currencies to hold funds in. This is great for people who work internationally and want to avoid high conversion fees. If you plan on sending or receiving large amount of money, you will need to verify your identity for higher limits. Wise will ask you to upload a photo of your ID like passport, driver's license, etc., and a selfie to confirm your identity. This process is simple and Wise will review your details and approve your account within a few hours or days. Once your account is set up, you are ready to send money. Let's say you want to send $100 to a friend in the UK. Click on the Send Money button, enter the recipient's details like name, email, bank account, and enter the amount you want to send. Wise will show you the exact exchange rate and fees upfront, so there are no surprises. Review everything and click Send Money to complete the transaction. You can easily manage your transactions directly from your Wise dashboard. Here you will see your balance, recent transactions, and available currencies. To withdraw money, simply click on Withdraw and follow the steps to send it to your linked bank account or card. It's easy to use. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.